Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, apparently, I always say this, it's been a minute, guys. I missed you all. I'm so happy to be here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to style a simple bandana like a ski mask. From this to this to getting something like this. Anyways, as we dive into that, I really appreciate it if you please liked this video. Please just give it a thumbs up. You can talk to me in the comment section, you can share us out, you can also make sure that you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming tutorial. Okay, anyways, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you have been here before, welcome back. It's the YouTube babe right here. Ik heiße Maureen. My name is Maureen. Drum rolls. Anyway, so the particular thing that you need, or things that you need for this style or to get this into action, is one, something to hold your hair. It's not a must to hold your hair. You can always choose to let all your hairs lie at the back, or you can just hold your hair at the top like I did, or yeah, the best way is at the top. And then the other thing you need is a bandana, maybe a flat surface, or something to iron the bandana, or if not, you can just do it like me. So first thing is first, I'm just going to hold my hair to the top so that it doesn't come in between our tutorial. It's not a must to be having braids. You can have your natural hair, whichever hair. This style is for you. And then this thing always stays, I don't know why, it always stays like one-sided, like, and I need it at the middle. I don't know why it's still staying on this side. It's on one side, so staying at the same time. Well, let it be like that. So the next thing is just pick up your bandana like that. This is my bandana. It doesn't matter the kind of bandana, but mostly we normally find ski masks being one colored in most cases. Please do not attack me by saying, oh, we have different colors in one a plain color. So mine is purple in color, but I've chosen black maybe. But anyways, it's the same thing. So ensure that the inner side faces the front side. The front side is the side that you're facing, and if you're doing it on a flat surface, make sure that the inner side is facing towards the top. Okay? And then if you're doing it like this, pick one corner and take it to the other side like that. Simply like that. It's not a must touches the lower side, but you can always ensure that it touches that part. You can also do it in this manner. While it is on the flat surface, just pick that corner and let it touch this side. Something like that. And then you'll have something like that. If you want it to be smaller, what you do is you pick this side, the straight side, and make a fold towards the bottom like that. Remember, it's the same manner if it's being kept down. Placed down, that is. And if you want it to be bigger, what you do is the moment that you're taking this part to the other side, make sure that it doesn't touch the other side. Let it loose maybe at the center, something like that, somewhere there, and then you have that size. Okay, the next thing, as for me, let's try both. I'll start off with whereby this corner touches that side, so that you can see how what will be the outcome. So as we continue, please make sure that you like the video. I really appreciate that. You can also just comment down below or share it out there, tell someone about this channel. Okay, yep. Okay, the next thing is placing it onto your hair. Remember, to finish this look, you can always put on a hat or just a random kofia, or maybe use another bandana that you can tie it. Let me show you. If you had such a bandana. Oh my god, someone is calling. Hello. Wow. Sorry about that, where were we? I was saying that you can always have a bandana like this, whereby you do the tying of it onto your head. I've done other tutorials like that. You can check out the description on how you can actually achieve that. How you can tie the bandana around your head so that you can have the ski mask and the other bandana going in hand in hand. Okay, so you pick this side and then place it onto your nose like that. Making sure that it's your eyes, only your eyes are being seen, and then bring it on top of your ears and then make a fold or a knot at the back. Okay. So if you had your hair dropped, you can always raise it a little bit. If you had your hair dropped, for those who do not tie the hair up, it could be like this. Oh, it's the same one. Sorry. You tie the knot and then another knot. Now done 2 knots, and then voila. As easy as A, B, C, D. Damn. If you want your nose to be seen, there you go. You wanna breathe? Anyways, it's like that. And then here at the bottom, we need it to be a little bit arranged. Just tuck it in, and you'll have something like that. So it looks like even you have another scarf. So it's easy, just like that. Imagine, guys. Please, for that, make sure that you like the video, you can share it out there, tell someone about this channel. Let's imagine now I have shades on. Let's see. I told you to check out other tutorials on how you can tie a bandana. Well, there was something I was saying before my camera lowered me out. Anyways, this is what what was I saying? Anyway, we connect for editing. But I mean, you can always find more tutorials in the description on how you can actually tie a bandana or a scarf like this to achieve this particular look. Already I have shown you how you can actually achieve this one. It's easy, so easy, and you can have your look Finally, thank you so much for watching this far. To watch more of my videos, please just click right here. See you on the next one. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, tell someone about this channel. See you on the next one. Amazing, right?